Okay, here we have a 1936 Cadillac. We are putting a full custom stainless steel exhaust system on it. It has a restro mod chassis on it. It's got an LS3 motor, Jaguar suspension. Nothing original about the drivetrain on it, but put some nice Magnaflow mufflers, Magna packs, all stainless, as I said. TIG welding it all in there. We really had to miter it all in there, so to speak. Can't bend this stuff. It all has to be pre-bent, put together, TIG welded. It's going to really be a nice show quality piece when we're done. Magnaflow dual in, dual out muffler. It's got big motor in it. Let it breathe. Right now we've got the crossover pipe off of it. Just wanted to show you what the mock-up looks like before we get it all TIG welded back in there. Should be a work of art when we're done. We'll get back to you on that. It's going to be a beautiful job. Okay, we're back to show you the finished product. We have all the mufflers and pipes and everything all TIG welded up. Turned out really nice. It's all sanitary. Got a nice clean look to it. Turned out really well. Pretty tight exhaust system here. There's just no room for error on this Jaguar chassis suspension. Fits in there just like a glove. It's all stainless steel, as I said before. It's got a Magnaflow dual in, dual out with an X pipe built into it. Gonna let it breathe good. This LS3 should sound pretty good. Can't wait to see what it sounds like. Should sound pretty good. Fire up! There we go. Burn like a kitten. Boy, that's 100% improvement over the previous exhaust. It's a very high-end build on this car, so this sounds really good. A nice upgrade on it. Really fits the car well. It's not overbearing on the sound, just nice and smooth. Should just be what the customer's looking for.